have no dignity. So, ladies and gentlemen, our forces then finally released the last batch of people the way they be catch them, where they be go for Bamenda for good. So I go bring some of the images and for remind una about those group of dangs who wanna be seen for Bamenda. These were not people in Bamenda. They were not people in Bamenda locality, the land of the brave Bamenda. There were two dance groups that gather in Finance Junction and also in Commercial Avenue. And I remember our population were wondering, where did these people come? These are not our people. The man who come to welcome this man is conspiring with the foreign government to undermine our sovereignty, our national security, and will have to face the consequences appropriately. So our forces have arrested those dance group. One of the dance group, they arrested over 30 of them. After the first day, those who had children, women who were nursing children, they were released.
Now people then this when I head them up. Now people then this where they will go welcome Prime Minister for Bamenda.
So the one are the people then this way, Dangote, the Cameroon, the shameless Cameroon government that have no support in Ambazonia, that have no sympathizer in Ambazonia. Their military always say the equilibrium is the population. The demography have changed. They have nobody who support them in our territory. Now, a group of paid individuals who call themselves lawyers, who call themselves senators, parliamentarians, representing us, but are not living amongst our people, are living in Yaoundé. They have come to their villages and hired poor villagers who are desperate to come and stage a welcoming of Dangote in Bamenda to show that it is Bamenda people welcoming Dangote. So these are the people that have been corrupted. We have our soldiers. We have asked them to be released, all of them, because we realize that these are just low-level people who have fallen victim. They themselves are victim. So we have released them after 1 week of detention and corporal punishment. They have been released. No women were not given corporal punishment. We make sure the women were treated in a humane way, and they were told why they were held. They were educated. They understand the reasons why they were held, and they know the gravity of what they did, and they will not do it again. One of the people that helped to organize this thing is one man in Bamenda. He's called Elvis Nyangen. We have tried to arrest him, and he escaped. He narrowly escaped. We will get him eventually. And all those people who are involved, we have Roland Tom, all of them. You will get them, your day will come in the bush. So Mona, follow the video.
We don't catch them. Bring out plenty still there for back where they come on at Babanki. Should take for go welcome Prime Minister for Bamenda.
So now people there for Babanki. They go hire people there for Babanki. Two dance group them. Me the camp station Bamenda, me the war office say Bamenda people them all thing they find for Bamenda. They welcome me for Bamenda. But we know say na hired people them. No people they support their agenda. No people then deal with them. Very interestingly, one of the people then they for Yahweh Ikomo Yaoundé. When Atanganji Paul they go say they go visit IDP people them for give them gifts, saying that the Cameroon government they help our civilian them. That man he be there for day. Where he shows that man be the commander for Babanki. He work with Atanganji a friend where either that making a parliamentarian now for Babanki. Now them where they go stage say they be an IDP them, they go carry gifts them, give for them. They pretend for the war, say they love our people, and they just try for help. Wanna follow?
And I would like and say, may they confess with their mouth. May not be like say would the bahad them, would beat them for nothing, or would punish them for nothing, or if would keep them. May not be like say would kill them for nothing. Now just when I head them for up. May not be like say would kill them for nothing. When I be there for Bamenda, no. Yes. When I will go for Bamenda, I will go do it. Eh? When I will go welcome Prime Minister.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Now who we gather when I say when I go down go welcome Prime Minister as a group from Babanki. Where the Elvis Nenying day for Usai? Okay. Did they ever come village?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So it talks me when I come go Bamenda, go welcome Prime Minister, no be so. Okay.
So any man wey dey for Bamenda, who na no place say Mr. Oliver Nenyeng the hide. Na Babanki boy, una tell we don't try to catch it for a house, he run. So any man wey no place where Mr. Elvis Nenyeng the stay, una inform we he be a wanted man for commit this crime for organizing people that meet and go day.
How will they be cash una be make you know? Okay, so they don't cash una no. Because Amberland na Amberland. So far as you choose for go welcome Prime Minister, una for welcome the Prime Minister pass go na Yaoundé. Una here no? Una the here? Okay. So I would like and say me one person so talk how well the team be pass fine. I know they ever punish person for nothing. Me one person. Person where be gather una. Now who? Okay, yes. Begin talk aloud. Talk aloud.
Yes.
Talk aloud because I go.
These people for years, so they deal with me. Nenyeng Elvis, he called me on behalf of a parliamentarian. Say me and Luana.
The parliamentarian in name now who?
Our Oliver.
Okay.
Say me and Luana, the Prudence and Yuma, go organize a dance group where you would get a monthly jangi. He say me make and see me man picking and they with instrumental people where they feel the play drum.
So now they hear the whole drama where La Republic did do am. Then call people, then lie, say me, then present themselves like being a jangi group. Where again man picking them for day, woman every day. Me they can stage for Bamenda, say that them being a Bamenda people, then they for Bamenda them. They welcome Diongote, the house slave for Pobia. Now the lies that, now the manipulation that, now the propaganda visit that way can do for Bamenda.
He tell me say the meeting will there for Sunday. They will go for everything house starting now. From there, he postpone and say Tuesday. From Tuesday, he say Wednesday. Finally, now we'll go Bamenda through phone calls. The direct way we'll go enter meet up then for Commercial Avenue. Then, as we just join enter meet up then for inside the military day, we just dance for their team.
Where you feel
Then don't come meet her and don't begin the
person in house. You go be say you go meet up you for road now how?
Now today will be make mistake.
Eh?
Now today will fail. Fail law for land.
Because you know if you come out say you go for Elvis he has. Yes. For we in Jang group. Then you go now, you una pass go, you go na Commercial Avenue. If for send person may take una go direct for a house. So where the show say una be working on one moto.
So they be go different moto. That's why we declare lockdown. That's why the Ambazonia Defense Forces will declare lockdown to make sure that these people will not be able to get to that Commercial Avenue without being spotted or feeling comfortable. That's why we created that. We wanted that condition to happen. But these enablers, embedded agents, Chris Anu and Sako, they can't deny that there is no lockdown, sabotage them, La Republic promote them, so that me the population come out, me them be able to come, me the people like this way, they be count on them, me them come for day. Because for those talks, me no man no work for those street them, these people they still get that access for work to take carry that street them where they be protected by Cameroon military. When if you understand the mafia, how La Republic they do mafia for stage this propaganda and they help with the get them from those who they be object, they reject, and they can't talk say there was no lockdown. Not here.
The first
una be there now una how many? First of all, where una go welcome Prime Minister?
Approximately 27.
Okay, now una 27 become up Babanki, go meet up some Babanki people then where they there for town.
Yes.
That means say una group be plenty.
Yeah, the group be
Okay.
plenty.
So the one so it show na some now the one they show na some signs say we have done the work before.
Now two dance group they be there for inside day. We go meet up them all. If we not get any person get information about those dance group them, the individual them, all everybody would not talk, including any man will be there for that grandstand. We participate. We not send with their name. If we not get proof better and place where they stay, place where they work, place where they worker, we not get for we.
The work before with parliamentarian, right? Do all that transaction then. No, make I tell you, I dey talk na my truth. When I done the work before with parliamentarian. Because the brother, yeah, the brother. No be you be there on day.
Yes, I will.
Yeah, they give you gift like where say you dey like an internally displaced person, no?
I will there only.
Where will you be there like an internally displaced person, no?
Yes.
Where you come up for Babanki, no?
Yes.
Okay.
So when I see now the people in this way are Tanganji poor, they hire them. Now a friend that Oliver way they ran make it parliamentarian for Babanki. Now person way be to work like house boy for Tanganji poor house. That way they don't bring list election, they fake election. They either write in input and they say be parliamentarian and they make it parliamentarian say win election for place where you know even campaign. So now the people in that now, that way they do one stage for CRTV and the international community say that they provide food for our population. They win our IDP, they want me then come back, then care about them. They still go bring their family members and their friends, pay them. Me they can't stage that those act. Why they do our people they suffer for village, they dey for inside bush, they go for Nigeria, they don't even get woman, they don't even get part for take care for their for protect their dignity. So the crime where the people they commit them a bit too big. Because when they do and so, the international community go feel something they go on where they help our people. Where not in they go. Those La Republic, Leviathans, vampires them. They don't care about our people. All they care is to continue to eat money, drain our people, making themselves rich. While the rest of the people they suffer. When I go feel when they show those images for TV, when I go feel something they actually go, maybe something they happen. No, nothing is happening. These people are just wicked. The only thing we feel safe our people then Nasemi will be free from this Bulu Beti clique, puppet from France, where they don't take over our country.
You be talk for media, you be talk for CRTV. Now you know.
Yes.
Yes. When I wear plan game, you and parliamentarian and Atanganji. Now Atanganji be the give the thing there, no?
I know the see the person.
Now Atanganji be the give the thing there. And Oliver, na parliamentarian where na Mago where you and Atanganji don't play before you dey for that position. Because he be a house boy for Atanganji house. And he be been our colleague. Wait, I tell you something. So all that game them where we have done play before, now God they reveal them now for we. Because when we go welcome Prime Minister for Bamenda, if God no reveal them, we for know now how. No be all we for day together again the chop. If na poison, we na poison me. Or we na poison my soldier there. Or if na for direct place soldier I hide out, we na go direct and they can't kill you. I scare the people that where they be the direct and we know them. We know them. So at the time God say, how well he don't make and say proof now for we now fighting. And I want to talk say they want so plenty woman then 2 day. Woman then 2 day where I go still show una and they go still confess with their mouth. So how una be go okay una welcome Prime Minister so they be give una how much? Una begin talk. May una know the pretend for here. They give una 400,000. Una talk how well una just explain and how well una be explain them for me. No be na only 400,000 una talk.
So now the money then that way then give for them. 400,000 for sell on a country, for compromise the integrity of a liberation movement for 8 million people. For go pretend me the war fee say Dangote baby welcome for Bamenda. For go pretend for Yaoundé, say like for receive goods them, say La Republic they help our IDP. Why we know say they work at bonbon, even their shelter them for inside farm, where they hide for day. They work at destroy them, kiki them, hide their body for bush. When they go cover up for help them. I'll forward them a little bit.
He give una how much? Una know the talk, how well you know the enter.
1,000.
Then
So-
someone can give una how much? Now begin talk.
So they talk how multiple people, then most of those people they come out Yaoundé. So one day they can share the money, 500 or 1,000, but they don't give their person when I the main organizer for the 400,000. I will forward them maybe go because the video long.
2,500. Una 2,000. No be na so una be the talk. So una the thing say we fit do it to una.
Ina pardon 2010. Na kama go outside, na pardon 2010. You want find out? Na pardon 2010.
Ba una je una head for up.
For me, if you call me, say, I can't take money, can't pay some power block away. If you don't say time wait the power the sick. So when I be go, I want go late. Now you just call me, say, no, they will. I can't see. I want go, I just go meet up with for that place. Then after, when you give that money for that people, them, I know be. I think say I will get my own share for say they deny me say I know be there for that group.
Pidgin. Talk for pidgin language. Where for the way any man go know.
That way person where he call me, I go for Bamenda.
Yes.
He call me for Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Say make I come meet up with for Mansanji.
Mm-hmm.
Play where I'm a soldier than lady.
Mm-hmm.
I come. Meet up with they call who again so. Hey baby, the other man who calls the attitude man.
Mm-hmm.
He want come over, one come come.
Mm-hmm.
But once he colonel for down village, he can.
Where his name now who?
Where in a Raymond.
Raymond who?
Tomb. He talk say.
Okay, yes. Raymond Tomb 007.
I don't know that.
Okay.
He talk say. The hour they talk to me talk.
Mm-hmm.
He say this thing they say if you don't look am. He see and say people for up they don't benefit from olive.
So now yeah, that they bribe some Ambazonian fighter them. When I hear the 007, now 007 that way the Oliver he don't send his own money. He bribe the boy talk for people that say me them go there because they don't chop their own money. People them for up they don't chop their own money. So now see when they can't corrupt some of the leader them for abroad. The one the way they be corrupted, when they hear that every day in a scandal of corruption. When the CPG and people that they can't give them that money, even the Nigerians say they donate for their program, but they don't say they give them a bribe because that money they will take that money go chop them. Now they get 2 TV channel, 1 TV channel at $11,000 per month. Then get 2 channel, that money they come up for us, will not say no money they give them money. They don't give money for their own fighter. If they tell they say, when I no worry, when I go there, people them for up there already chop their own money. Ambazonians, make una no believe these corrupt people they wanna hear every day scandal. Hey, the one that chop my trip to Boya, the one that do this one. Make una no feel and say all we day. We get selfless individual them. Where they need to do come like opportunists for take opportunity for a struggle like this. But now people the way them too they don't go through discrimination, assimilation. Dr. Chua Yaba, Benedict Kwa, all those big names they want around here. Even Carson Anyangwe, even he. Molanjo Lutumbe, all of them. They be selfless individual the way they don't deny for take poor BI money. They don't deny for the easy way life. But they don't mean them say they go fight free Ambazonia. Make no generation no suffer the humiliation and the killings they will go through like the one way baby Caroline they go through. We are clean. Our hands are clean. We are there to fight for you. We will succeed. Do not believe La Republic their lies, where they can't talk say all man is corrupt. No, there are genuine people. When I remember the days where Southern Cameroon, Bibina Southern Cameroon, where was school, Bibina school where they train picking the mid and get future. They used to put with this wind pipe, this thing for it show north, west, south for on top all primary school them. We used to get community work, clean up campaign. Our work at people they be get sanitary people that they come up from cancer, can't check people that toilet. Decent human beings. Where they keep dignity in front of every money. They be pick money, lost and found, go get for news for radio station. Every Saturday they be play congratulations to this music to the listening and dancing pleasure of this and this woman where damn born Pekin. Decency. God-fearing people. These are the true people we are. Maybe when I not take say all man bad. There are some good individuals where God doesn't separate them, keep them. Where they do work tirelessly. They are ready to do everything. General Mba Ivor of the ADF. General Efang. When I say not only the ADF fighters them. When I see even Arike, I'll quote even Arike. Despite the fact that they don't try it too. God go bring it back. So many good people are there fighting for you to free you. Fight, resist. Una born, una remember when they be bring goods and can get for people for inside camp, them born them. They say we no want to chop, we work for ourselves. We no want to help, we want for be independent. For the Catholic Church, they talk so one just being a fool them. We will never be mature enough for one freedom. We just want a peace. We don't want for to live with this way. We say no. Our people are smarter than that. That's why they have been resilient all this while. So, ladies and gentlemen,